Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how to create a pan using software only in Vegas Pro 18. Now this will work in all versions of Vegas Pro and all versions of Movie Studio. Now if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more tutorials like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're like my best friends. So here we have a video of me at my computer workstation. Depressed because I haven't reached 10,000 subs yet. Now you're probably wondering, why would you want to create a pan? Well, a pan, using software only, gives the illusion that someone else is operating the camera. And plus it just makes your videos look damn cool. So I'll show you how to do it here. Go to Event Pan and Crop. Make sure Lock Aspect Ratio is selected, highlighted, and make sure About Center is highlighted as well. And Move Free, we want X because we're going to pan it aside. We don't want to accidentally move it upwards and have a video jerk on us. So to do this, you have to zoom in first. So let's zoom in the desired amount. Whatever that looks good. And we'll make the effect last to here. Okay. Now since we're in X only, just drag this over to the side. This will all come into frame. It creates a keyframe for us. And now, let's put it back. So, it gives the illusion that someone is operating the camera, and it looks just damn cool. Now the good thing about doing this in software is it's extremely smooth and you have lots of control over it, unlike panning with a tripod. So this tutorial is basically to show you how to pan and give camera movement to make your videos look more interesting. Anytime you have a video that's static, just a video just staying there not moving, you should be zooming in or doing something to make it look more interesting. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.